In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Mailchimp contacts quickly and easily. If you're looking to manage your contacts more effectively or need to back them up for any reason, exporting them is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy so you can access your account without any issues. Once you've successfully logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the audience section. You'll find this option readily available in the menu, so go ahead and click on it to proceed. With the audience section open, your next step is to click on all contacts. This will allow you to see all the contacts you currently have saved in your Mailchimp account. Now, one important thing to note is that if you have more than one audience set up in your account, you'll need to make sure you're working with the right one for your export. To do this, look for the audience drop-down menu and select the specific audience you're interested in exporting. This ensures that you're pulling the correct set of contacts, especially if you manage multiple lists. Once you've selected the appropriate audience, locate the contact whose information you'd like to export. You can do this by clicking on the contact's email address, which will then open the contact profile. Inside the profile, you should see 3 vertical dots, typically representing a More Options menu. Click on these dots and you'll find the export option available. Selecting this option will initiate the export process. Now here comes the convenient part. When your export is ready, Mailchimp will send you an email with a link to the download page. So make sure to keep an eye on your inbox for this notification. However, if you prefer to download the export directly without waiting for an email, you can also do so right from your Mailchimp account. Just follow any additional prompts you might encounter, and you should be able to access your exported data with ease. In summary, exporting your Mailchimp contacts is a simple process that ensures you have a backup of your valuable contact information or can migrate it as needed. Whether you choose to download it directly or wait for the email notification, Mailchimp makes it very straightforward to manage your contact exports. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helps streamline your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one.